Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through an easy step on how to buy Safemoon on Coinbase. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to buy Safemoon for Coinbase, first make sure that you've signed up for a Coinbase account. If you don't have it yet, check the description box and click on the referral link. You'll be able to create a new account for Coinbase, and this will also benefit our channel without costing you anything. Now simply tap open Coinbase app once you are done with the sign up process, and once you are logged into your Coinbase account. If you go ahead and try to purchase Safemoon from the app itself, you won't be able to find any option from the assets list that says Safemoon. So in order to buy Safemoon, you'll need to go and tap open your web browser. In my case, I'm going to open up my Safari and now simply type in coinmarketcap.com and make your search. Once you do that, you'll end up in this page of CoinMarketCap, which looks like this. Go to the search button in the upper right hand corner and give it a tap. Now in the search bar, search for Safemoon by typing it in. From the list of the crypto assets displayed right beneath, select Safemoon, and once you do that, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. The current price for Safemoon will be displayed at the very top. If you go all the way down and tap on the market option right next to overview, you'll be able to see a complete list of places you can purchase Safemoon as well as the currencies you can use to obtain that. You'll be able to see two tabs right here, source and pairs. Right under pairs, you'll see the shorthand for Safemoon. It'll be displayed like this, as you can see on the interface. You'll be able to see Safemoon with a second currency displayed right next to it. If you'd like to purchase Safemoon with the USDT, then you can tap on Safemoon/USDT. If you want to purchase Safemoon with WBNB, you can tap on Safemoon/WBNB, and this will take you to a new page. Here in this page, if you do have to purchase Safemoon with another crypto, you'll need to first create a crypto wallet that supports Safemoon. Then you can buy the first currency and use it to buy Safemoon on the platform you chose. Make sure to log into your crypto wallet and enter the amount of Safemoon that you would like to buy right under limit order, and that way you'll be able to buy Safemoon on Coinbase quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.